We're going on a cruise. Outside. Big driver out the road. And you know, if you're a Jamaican, them say if you're dipping in the salt water, you get rid of all your crosses. Them so girl, I go deep. Once you see this bag, you know we going places. Zoe? Oh, okay. I'll use this one. We're back again, guys, with the elite snacks. If you were here on our first vlog, you'll know what we mean. You ready to know where you're going?
Am I?
You're going to Florida.
I am in Florida.
All right, ready for true? You don't want to know?
I want to know, but I don't want to know.
Oh, okay then. Let's go then. Why are you screaming at the top of your lungs?
Exciting place, isn't it?
Yeah. It's gonna take us about an hour from here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Tell me that. 5 or 10 minutes away.
She don't want me to tell her where we're going, even though the surprise is right here. Lip. Yo, you're just extra. You are my broke bestie.
I got my money.
Please. So me still can't find this place, sir.
Transportation and public bus over there.
That's a public bus, but I have to speak to someone. I want to tell you where we're going.
That bad?
I am itching to tell you now.
This is very emotional for me. Okay.
This is very emotional for you.
3, 2, 1, go.
We're going to Cuba.
I told you we're going to Cuba.
I'm joking. We're going on a cruise.
We're going on a cruise.
We're going on a cruise. We're going on a 5-day cruise.
This is what you get for saying we're going to Cuba.
Guess where the cruise is going? You ready?
Bahamas?
Bahamas. Should just find out where she's going. How you feeling now? What you have to wipe off your glasses?
Yeah.
For you? Fix your ear.
You're going on a cruise to Bahamas. Do you want to talk about your car insurance? I'm trying to distract myself from screaming on the top of my lungs so people don't think somebody's murdering me.
Oh my god. Are you excited? Let me see your happy dance. What kind of happy dance says? Alright y'all, we figured out the transportation. So now we have to wait about 10 minutes. We just went to that place over there. GoPort. The lady was very helpful without being helpful. But she was very helpful. See you later, suitcases.
And now we go to Bahamas.
Bahamas.
Can't believe I'm doing this.
Welcome almost aboard.
Right this way, boarding passes.
Yes? Thank you.
Y'all enjoy your cruise.
Thank you.
It gives me the jitters. It's so big and it's so massive. It's just scary.
It is
Even though
scary.
there's nothing to be scared of.
No.
It's just
Oh, they working on over here. All this construction. Is this my baby and I going on our first cruise? I'm excited. I was nervous before though. Nervousness killed me because why? Girl cannot swim. Thank you, thank you. We're excited to be here. A lot of fun to be had. That's what he said.
everywhere you go, you smell food. Cause I'm the big back I am. A girl needs to eat. I haven't.
Yo, they say honesty is the best policy, and big back is what she is because the girl like put me in a warm poor house because everything she says she want eat.
Yo, the crazy thing is, a couple days ago or like a week ago, I had a dream about going on a cruise.
No sad, never to come see. I'm definitely doing this again. You're stepping on board, Zoe. Step on it, step on it. Ah, you're on a cruise. My baby's on a cruise. My baby's on a cruise. When excitement gives way, I mean, and then I never want to stand up underneath it neither. It'll give me Final Destination vibes. But we prayed before we came here, and God is gonna ensure that we have a wonderful, fabulous time because we're gonna have a blast. You have to come at them something here with positive mindset, a good attitude.
All of the documents I've heard about Final Destination that I usually forget is rushing back to me.
I'm telling you,
At the worst.
everything over here screams Final Destination. We're gonna have a good time.
Bale of paint. One.
Hi guys, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
That to you, and I'll give this to you as well for some important safety information. Alright.
Make sure you read those.
And you're so festive.
I gotta take this in, y'all. This is beautiful. Mr. In your face, Steve Mercy.
You got plates? There's a plate for you.
And they have soup. No, pass one plate. Let me try them soup. Them soup probably have water down. But you know, everywhere we go, we have to try the soup. Huh?
Best food I've ever tasted.
What are you doing, making a sandwich with mashed potato? Oh my god.
We're not working. We're not at home.
It is so cute. In your cold. We're on a cruise. We're on a cruise.
Welcome aboard. We are delighted to have you sail in partnership with
I'm full of storage though. What's it? I saw you know say that on boat, you know. Because when you go in a regular hotels, look, you don't have no life vests, but they probably put it on here, but we won't need it. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Oh.
That's it.
Hey, Mom. Look at. Watch your step.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Oh.
Anyway, we see the same as the Rochester. This is cute for real. It's small, but it's cute. It's quaint.
Please do not.
Dainty. I told you you didn't need no shampoo. Caution. Oh, look. Water hot. So it's like scalding.
3, 2, 1.
Talk to me. Tell me how you're feeling. Be honest. On a scale of 1 to 10.
I feel excited.
Feeling excited.
I want to go swim.
And you want to go swim.
And it's hard to breathe.
And it's hard to breathe. Alright, well take off your stuff. Let's go see if we find the pool.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not going in the water with you. Not this hairstyle. Trouble up see you.
That's right. Come on, first one.
Come on, babe. Sushi. Oh, oh my god, why did I see this?
Are they still open?
I think so. Yeah, no, it says order here. Collision.
Bye, Disney.
You're so silly, yo. I can't. How was the swimming?
I enjoyed every piece of it.
Every piece? Yeah, live too much life for foreign. Come on, come go bed and get ready for dinner. Want to know why you're going so hard with a piece of dry bread?
It's good.
Never said it wasn't good.
If you know, you would know that the bread is busted if I eat it plain. If I, Soraya, eat bread plain, you know it's good.
Thank you. That's mine. Ooh, that looks good. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Let me see what she gets me.
It smells suspicious.
It smells suspicious. It looks different too. It looks like clam chowder.
Yeah.
With beans.
Peas.
Yeah, peas.
And beans.
No, not beans. That like clove or something. Try it. It looked like it might be good. Right. One should try. No, it's hot. Over here now. This is my roast duck roll. It cold?
It cold?
Yeah, why it's so cold?
Why is it cold?
I don't know.
It looks hot.
It looked like something was supposed to be hot. Why does I feel like something? We don't know. We don't know if it's what they feel like. But it's not that.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Alright.
Oh, thank you.
Give me your.
She's all set with the soup. Yeah, she tried it. She said she really wasn't liking it too much. But thank you so much.
Give me your honest review.
What's that? Review on what?
The food.
I actually like my duck roll. I don't like the rice people because it's soft and feel like one little softy something.
Okay.
But
Otherwise,
the inside,
it was good.
the filling was very good.
Okay.
The bread with the butter, very good.
How was your first day on the cruise doing?
I really like it. And I like the fact that I can't feel it. That's better for me. I don't like that there's a tropical storm brewing in Bahamas because that's messing with my excursions.
Well, you should have picked up.
People's lives are better than my excursions, so it's okay.
Yeah. Okay. I would have thought the ship was gonna be like I would have thought I'd been like,
Yeah, but it's not. It's very calm for real.
yeah.
It literally feels like you're just outside or you're in a building or a restaurant or a hotel or something.
Like, this place is legitimately so fancy. Like, they open the chair for you. They give you baguettes. They give you butter. They give you water. They give you drink. And they give you this beautiful view right here.
And you're a beautiful view too.
Thank you. I was waiting for you to say something back.
You're so silly.
I know, right?
Try the pasta and tell me what you think.
I hope it's good. I really hope.
I hope so too. Oh, you didn't even pick up nothing. Hello.
It's not bad.
Any look of salt?
Actually has flavor.
Yeah? This is what I'm eating. This is, what did you buy? Something braised lamb. Yeah.
I can't wait to knock out.
She stole my food, y'all.
It's good.
So she's eating my dinner instead, and I'm forced to eat hers, which is fine.
Forced. You asked me if you
I
wanted
said,
to.
because I'd rather you eat, Saraya.
Mommy,
Yeah?
your napkin.
Oh my god. No, that was hilarious. That was hilarious. Next thing you know, so they got low, low, low. She gonna get low. Hey!
I'm cutting it into an even.
It looks real soft.
It is.
Let me see. It looks good. It looks real chocolatey. You hot?
Dark chocolate.
Try the ice cream with it. Yeah.
Ooh, the ice cream is soft.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's dark chocolate though, and I don't like that.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm quite full,
Right. So nothing not hit right
so
now.
nothing's not hitting.
I get it.
If I was like, I'll catch you back with this when I'm actually starving.
And you think you would slap them? Yeah.
See? It's so scary. The only thing
Oh wow. You can't see nothing. Then I mean the only thing you can see.
because I put my hands over my.
Let me do that. Oh yeah, you can see the moon.
Huge splash. New fear unlocked. Going overboard.
Yeah, no, it really does something to you. Just looking over it, like you're gonna fall over. It makes you feel nauseous. Yes.
And the fact that you're stranded in the middle of the ocean and nobody can hear you is crazy.
That is crazy. You switch back with that?
On the top, baby.
Listen, what's your deal or no deal? You could win $5,000. That more win before me come off of this boat there. That would be wonderful. Alright, y'all. We have already received our breakfast. This is day number 2. And it is disgusting outside. But we are moving. And instead of us going to Princess Cay, which is our first stop. They're gonna go to Nassau first because of the storm. You could tell. Last night it was real bad. The rain was just pouring. But I love it on this cruise because you can't even tell that you're on a cruise. Like, you don't feel like you're moving at all. Just a greedy buddy one, yeah.
All right, that wasn't very loud, so I'm gonna hold out and wait. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Drop off your shakers, your noisemakers, and your runners at the back with Wilma over there. Up front in these seats. So as you're coming in, just drop off your bag of the theatre. And then come and grab the seat nice and close. Alright, the 16th one today? Yeah, okay, you can take another one later, don't worry. Oh, wow, I like it. Are you going to do the Macarena? Is that? Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, calm down with the hips. Oh my goodness. Oh, a little bit of flossing. I like it. Okay. Last but not least. Yeah, I see you. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3! And to the left, and to the right, and to the left, and then a bit quicker.
Right, left, right, left, right.
And so find yourself going right from the old creek. It's not to laughter, steal your heart. Some twisted tales are just the start. Come join our fun and you shall see. And sail away with Susan Sea.
I would not, could not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with the fox. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with the mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere.
This is funny. I like it.
Could you, would you, on a train? Not in a train, not in a tree, not in a car. Sam, let me be. I would not, could not in a box. I could not, would not with a fox. I will not eat them with a mouse. I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them here or there. I will not like them anywhere. Would you, could you, in the rain? I would not, could not in the rain, not in the dark, not in a train, not in a car, not in a tree. I do not like them, Sam, you see.
That was really good. The acting was on the spot.
Yes, it
I loved it.
Me too.
Oh my god. Water slides. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I can see the person just go down the
Oh,
slide.
and the side is out. I want to drop it in the water and see how far I can.
Oh look, Nanny, you can see everything close from up here. Yeah?
We're close to the nursery.
Oh, to the thing the lady was showing us yesterday.
I'm not good enough.
could tell, but the boat is swaying. Yeah, today's not the nicest day at all. Today is really not it. But nonetheless, we're making the best of it outside watching Inside Out. And chilling with my little towel on. Hey, that's sexy.
Hey.
What's going on?
Wet, but I'm standing out here in the cold.
But you're in the hot tub. I haven't even been in the hot water. Yeah? You shouldn't. The water is too hot for that. I don't know how you're doing this. I don't know how you're doing this. Because I am freezing where I'm standing up. And then in a room even more cold. Hey, what are you gonna feel when you go in the room? Yeah? How you gonna feel when you go in the room? Yeah, exactly. No, sorry, don't run, don't run. Hey, I said not to. You could slip. They made the bed, guys, and they made us a little towel.
It's an elephant.
I ain't no elephants, alright? Where's the trunk?
Oh wait, that's a pig.
It looks like a little pig, or it could be like a bear or something. I don't know, but it's cute as heck. Oh, that's for tomorrow's itinerary.
I really do believe that something's got a hold on me. Yeah. Oh, it must be love. Oh, something's got a hold on me. Let's just sing, 'cause I need you by my side. Can't you see that I'm gonna rescue me? Take me in your arms, take your love, and conquer every flaw, 'cause I'm not.
Hey y'all, so we are here at dinner after we just left the Soulbound concert. It's a musical with Halloween themed stuff. What did you think of it? The concert?
I really liked it.
Yeah? What did you like about it?
I like how they switched up the music a bit. And I like how they put only one song that I really knew.
One song, dang. Well, I, on the other hand, had a blast because these are songs that I grew up on. Absolutely loved it. Let's get into the food. What do you got over there? Butter and bread again?
Butter and bread, broccoli, ham, rice, and lasagna.
Lasagna. Bon appetit. Guys, guess where we are? We're in Nassau, Bahamas. Oh look! Fat Tuesdays. There might be things to walk around and look at. Hi y'all. We are
Bahamas.
Nassau, Bahamas. And so far it's not bad. We can't do our excursions. Jesus. The water rough it through. The water very rough around. Oh, I feel splashes of the water. Everybody getting wet. You're gorgeous. Very nice. If you guys come to Nassau, Bahamas, definitely check her out. These are gorgeous. And she said they're wisdom and beauty. Love it. Oh, Burger King.
Where?
Right down there. Wait a second, I know nothing, I can't eat that. Oh my gosh.
This is such a cute store. Hold on. Let me just step in.
Go ahead, you can go look. There's nothing wrong with looking. Oh.
Yeah, come in, big guy. Come on. Oh, where we at? It's beautiful out here.
We're gonna go find something to eat now. And today we have a giraffe. This is cool. Everybody did. The rain start. You see, one piece of rain. When another. There's somewhere right there, so you can. We was all here sitting down, chilling, perfectly good, watching Wicked. Chilling on a deck chair, and that rain said, Oh, see her, never see her now. But she in a hot tub in the middle of the rain, in the middle of the ocean. Who does that? Who does she think she is? Tell me what you got, girl.
I'm being the biggie I am.
You're being the biggie you are? What you got?
I got spaghetti carbonara. Thank you. And then I got fried chicken with mashed potatoes and broccoli.
Yes.
Water, a knife, and a fork.
Murder. They say you that outside. And it's full of bacon dough and niceness. It looks like it smells good. It looks like it smells good. It looks like it tastes good. Alright, it tastes good. It tastes good. And over here I have lamb with potatoes and a little Hawaiian shrimp poke. Okay, big back. No? Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Mercy. You're going to sleep great tonight. How was your beard already? Look on girl's skin, look on girl's skin. With a shimmer. It's just shimmering.
Shimmer, shine.
Come on, my beard and put on our nice lotion and thing and our pretty dress.
If I had to rate it 10 out of 10,
Yeah,
and if you're a picky eater,
yeah.
perfect for picky eaters.
Perfect for picky eaters.
I know because I am one.
Yes, you are.
Mashed potatoes.
Hot.
Hot. Buttered. Salted.
Okay. Okay.
It's not those processed food because I taste the chunks of mashed potatoes.
So you know it's a real mash. Niceness. All right, let me get into mine now. And look what we have today.
I can't tell what that is.
I don't know what it is either, but it's cute.
Kung Fu pig.
Not a kung fu pig.
Duck.
Guess what we're doing today? Finally got to do something.
Zip lining. I mean, it's not as good as swimming with dolphins or
No.
stingrays, but it's good.
Yeah, we'll
least
be
it's
thankful.
something.
Right. The wind alone is gonna push us down the hill. Oh, but look at this, y'all. You know?
Welcome to Celebration Keys. Celebration.
Because we're here with who? With God and my child. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. If I don't tell y'all one thing I do in life, I travel. I work hard, so I travel hard. I live within my means, and if I want something, I work towards it. Okay? But don't ever make nobody tell you no what you cannot do. Don't ever let anyone tell you what y'all cannot do. If you want it, work towards it. But this is what life is about. You work, you enjoy life, you experience things, you know, you visit other areas, you visit cultures, you eat different food, you experience different music. Life is about just living. Yeah, because you don't know when the next minute, and you don't know when is your time. Yeah. So me and my baby will be out here living life. Fine. No, alarm below. Hi, love. Thank you. Come on, kid. He's such a child.
Good morning. Included in your package, everybody has access to the Wi-Fi. Go to Pirates Cove, go to settings, go to Pirates Cove. Look at everybody. That's a cell phone, right? Okay.
Guess what we're doing, guys? What are we doing?
Ziplining. UTV.
We're going to do zip lining, but right now we're doing UTV.
I know it sounds different. I thought it was ATV, but UTV. Bye bye.
You're gonna record the little fake animals that we thought were real.
Look at the big little animal. I got so excited.
Oh, we are gonna get wet.
Ay, ay, ay.
Look at these ones over here, babe.
I thought that was the real one. Sorry for the shaky
Look at the zip
camera.
line all the way up.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna go up those stairs. Careful out the corner. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, my shoes, my shoes! No!
But guys,
This is so
that because it's vibrating.
I don't like this feeling.
Oh, Bahamas, you have not failed me at all.
The boat? My soul. We are there. I dried up so quickly, but I'm so sweat still. Woo. It's so rocky over here. Look at that yacht.
That is pretty.
Y'all, we got soaked. You would have swore I took like an ice bath or something. I am soaked.
But out of 10 out of 10.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
If you ever come here, always do this.
Yes.
Always. If you don't, you won't forgive yourself.
UTV, ATV, zip line.
Any type of ATV
Yes.
or TV. That was dope.
That was.
I loved every part of that.
This might be what my heaven looks like. This is my paradise right here. This is gorgeous. Very much so. Oh my gosh! This is fantastic. This is gorgeous.
Hi, vloggy.
Where we at?
We're in Celebration Key.
Celebration Keys. We're in Bahamas, guys. Look. Water deep, and you can still see your toes. This is gorgeous.
Love this.
Look at the backdrop, yo. I just love it because it's so clear. Like you can see right through.
Like at the moment. I still have that fear of swings.
Yeah? Can't tell. A beautiful meal after zip lining. Can't go wrong with my bestie. I'd like to tell you what makes I feel you. You need to do your wind up on this, do your push up on this. Like it like this, just like this, just like. I'm never coming home. I like it like this. What is a home? I'm not going back here. What is Rhode Island? Do you see the beach? That's beach, 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 and more beach. I'm not going home. My daughter, she's getting so big, y'all. She's not a baby anymore. You want a call? I'm coming right now. Out a hot. My daughter said we should make this into a wishing well. So we should throw some pennies and make a wish. So just for shits and giggles, we gonna do it. And all your edges, all your perfect imperfections, give your all.
Jet ski into the ocean and not seem that much coral reefs.
What happened, baby?
There's two Carnival Freedom.
No, one is liberty and one is freedom. Which one are you on? Oh, okay.
From the same company, kind of.
Yeah. And today we have a froggy.
No.
I ain't even gonna lie, Titan, you did your thing. Yeah, he did his thing. And every time we come in here, beds are made. I ain't even gotta ask if there's new towels. I knew it. He's so good. He's so good.
It's not a frog. It's a frog.
It's a frog. One more way I go so ham. You must have the nice. With a nice view behind it.
Look over there.
With the sunset.
Please hold on to that handbrake. When the gate link stops, please exit for gates 100 through 129.
Yes, we're home. I missed you too. It's only been a week, less than a week, and it don't even feel like it. Hi, mommy. Come on, let's get walking. Oh my god, I missed her.